Section 10.2 is patterns and inductive reasoning. Our goal is to prove theorems about lines and angles. On page 599, we have in the Solve It, you may have used inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning is reasoning based on patterns you observe. You can observe patterns in some number sequences and some sequences of geometric figures to discover relationships. For example 1, part A says, look for a pattern. What are the next two terms in the sequence for 3, 9, 27, and 81? A common pattern to look for is adding and subtracting. To get from 3 to 9, we add 6, and to get from 9 to 27, we add 18. We can stop right here because 6 and 18 don't match, so the pattern will not be found by adding. Another common pattern to look for is multiplying and dividing. 3 times 3 gives us 9, 9 times 3 gives us 27, and 27 times 3 gives us 81. So here the pattern is to multiply the previous term by 3 to get the next term. Using this pattern, we can multiply 81 by 3 to get 243, and then multiply 243 by 3 to get 729. This will give us the next two terms in the sequence. We will do the same thing for part B. Part B has images. Our first image is a circle with a triangle inside, then we have a circle with a square inside, and then a circle with a pentagon inside. Notice that each circle contains a polygon that has one more side than the preceding polygon. So the next two circles contain 6-sided and 7-sided polygons. The work for this problem is written out on the next two slides. And now I would like you to try homework number 1 on page 600. Find a pattern for each sequence. Use the pattern to show the next two terms. For number 1, we have 1, 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8.